Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So, today we will discuss the question and answers of State Selection Board Odisha for the post of lectureship in zoology. Come to the first question. Which of the following statements concerning Giardia lambia is correct except the Giardia lambia causes hemolytic anemia? This is the wrong. Pigs and dogs are the sources of human infection by each of the following parasites except Ascaris lumbricoides. Ascaris lumbricoides are monogenetic parasite. Which one of the following parasites doesn't cause lymphatic filariasis? The Monsonella streptocera doesn't cause lymphatic filariasis. Question number 4. In which of the following hosts the parasite enter doesn't undergo any development or reproduction but remains inactive to the definite host? This is the paratenic host. Option C. Entamoeba histolytica, an intestinal parasite, resides in the isotonic environment of intestine and other tissues in human body and doesn't possess contractile vacuoles. If this parasite is placed in fresh water, it will die due to hyposmotic shock. Option B. Which of the following animals make use of their tube feet to perform respiration? Direct questions. The answer is starfish. Which is the organ of Bojanus? The Bojanus is the excretory organ of mollusk. Among these, Lamellidens is your mollusk. Other three are arthropods. Option A is the correct one. Animals belonging to the subphyla Urochordata, Cephalochordata are closer to phylum Echinodermata than other invertebrate phyla. Which one of the following reasons can accurate for this relatedness? Urochordata, Cephalochordata and Echinodermata has common thing is that deuterostomic development. In deuterostomic development, the blastopore gives rise to anus. Question number 9. Which one of the following amphibian species exhibit parental care by developing their young ones, that is the tadpole, inside the stomach of mother, the female parent? The answer is Rheobatrachus silus. Which of the following is not a flight adaptation in birds? The answer is short, stout and peg-like beak. Option B. Whale is an air breather but can live underwater for a long time because it possesses Retia mirabilia. Option D. Ductus caroticus, a portion of the embryonic dorsal aorta located between points of junction with the third and fourth aortic arc arteries, usually disappears in early embryonic development except in one of the following groups of animals. So, Ductus caroticus is absent in reptiles but it is present in lizards. Option B. Which one of the following is the only vegetarian aquatic mammal? Manatee. Option A. Which one of the following is not an aquatic adaptation in marine mammals? Hind limbs are modified into flippers. This is the wrong. Your correct answer will be the forelimbs are modified into flippers. The ureter of opisthonephric kidneys represent Wolffian dogs in male. Option A. In which of these animals green glands function as an excretory organ? The green glands is the excretory organ of crustacean. Among these, prawn is your crustacean. Which one of the following is common ancestral larval form of echinoderms and hemichordates and chordates? The answer is dipleural. Which one of the following statements about the origin of tetrapod is not true? This is the answer B. It says that the ancestral tetrapods have originated in a specialized situation during the Carboniferous period, but the tetrapods are originated in Devonian period. So option B. Come to the question number 19. Which of the following is called a sea squid? Direct question. This is Hardmania. Which one of the following statements about the heart is false? The mitral valve separates the left ventricle and left atrium. The mitral valve is bicuspid valve. This is true. Blood travels through the bicuspid valve to the left atrium. No. The blood travels through the bicuspid valve to the left ventricle. This is the wrong answer. So option B. Which junction tethers cytoskeletal filaments inside the cell? The anchoring junction. Among the following cell structure function pairs, identify the correctly paired ones. Microvilli, engulfment of foreign bodies, wrong. Cytoskeleton cell migration, the actin filament, myosin filament of cytoskeleton helps in cell migration. Hence, option B is the correct one. The organelles that function to get rid the cell of toxic substances such as hydrogen peroxide or other metabolics are known as peroxisome. Come to the question number 24. Mitotic cyclin CDK activity peaks in M phase. This is because what? The kinase subunit is activated by dephosphorylation only in M phase. Option D. Which one of the following statements about meiosis is not true? Your answer will be option A. The kinetochores of sister chromatids attach to the opposite poles in meiosis 1. Come to the question number 26. In male Drosophila melanogaster, homologous chromosomes pair and segregate during meiosis, but crossing over doesn't occur. At which stage of meiosis does segregation of two alleles of a gene takes place in these flies? Your answer will be anaphase 1. Which of the following is an extracellular messenger of apoptosis? Your tumor necrosis factor. Option B. Where does microsatellite DNA present in the chromosome? These are dispersed throughout the chromosome. Option A. Come to the question number 29. 5-bromouracil is a base analog that can cause mutation when incorporated into DNA. Which one of the following is the most likely change the 5-bromouracil induces? Here the 5-bromouracil is a base analog to thymine T. So option A will be correct one. The TA change to CG. A chromosomal aberration leads to change in the order of genes in a genetic map but doesn't alter its linkage group. This is due to inversion. Option D. 31. The chirality of DNA is due to deoxyribose. In eukaryotic chromatin organization, which one of the histones seals off the nucleosome at the location at which the linker DNA enters and leaves the nucleosome? That is H1 histone protein. H2A, H2B, H3, H4, they form the octamer. But H1 histone protein present here, the DNA molecule comes and leaves the nucleosome through H1 histone protein. The Tata box is found in the vicinity of the transposition start site. The role of this box is to, this is a very direct question, it serves as RNA polymerase binding site. Option B. Come to the 34. Which of the following is not the step involved during mRNA processing? 5' capping? Yes. Splicing of introns? Yes. Polyadenylation? Yes. RNA silencing? No. So option D. In which of the following cases the first base of anticodon cannot pair with two codons coding for same amino acid? Here the answer A. when the first base of anticodon is A. Come to the 36th. Which of the following is an example of head and tail bacteriophage? Lambda phage. It contains head and tail. Option B. Which infection cycle is characterized by retention of the phage DNA molecules in the host bacterium for many thousands of cell division? This is your direct question. This is the lysogenic cycle. At what stage in the control of gene expression does histone acetylation occur? That is your pre-transcription stage. Question 39. The region where bacterial genome resides is known as nucleoid. The partial diploids formed as a result of sexual reproduction in bacteria is termed as merozygotes. 41. During the transport of carbon dioxide in the blood, bicarbonate ion diffuses from RBC to plasma, and in turn, the effect of ionic equilibrium momentarily. In order to keep the ionic balance, an equal number of chloride ions pass into the RBC from plasma. This process is known as chloride shift or Hamburger's phenomenon. Option A. During the process of blood coagulation, which of the following factors are activated by thrombin? Thrombin activates factor 11, 8 and 5. Option A. Which one of the following cells in the renal corpuscles can influence glomerular filtration by its contraction? Mesenchymal cells. The opening of axon membrane voltage gated potassium channel is responsible for which part of the action potential? During repolarization, potassium channels are open. During depolarization, sodium channels are open. So option B is the correct one. Come to the question number 45. Which one of the following neurotransmitter is secreted by the preganglionic neurons of sympathetic nervous system? The two neurotransmitters are serotonin and acetylcholine. Here acetylcholine is present, hence option C. If serotonin is present, option will be serotonin. Which one of the following amino acid change or mutation would most adversely affect the structure of an alpha helix? When proline residue is present, it affects the structure of alpha helix. That is the option B. Proline residue. Come to the question number 47. Which of the following is an example of storage protein? Your myoglobin. Myoglobin is oxygen storage protein. Hemoglobin is oxygen transporting protein. 48. Which of the following pair of amino acids are both glucogenic and ketogenic in nature? The tyrosine and tryptophan. Option C. Which one of the following mucopolysaccharides doesn't contain glucuronic acid? Your answer will be heparan sulfate. Option D. The first step in glycogen breakdown, the release of glucose unit as glucose 1-phosphate. The energy-rich fuel molecules produced in the citric acid cycle are 1 GTP, 3 NADH and 1 FADH2. Your answer will be C. 52. Which of the following acts as the starting material for purine biosynthesis? Your answer will be ribose 5-phosphate. In the next video, we will solve from question number 53 to question number 100. Thank you. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates. Thank you.